Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my IGTV. So today's topic is all about how to define your fashion business model. I'm receiving lots of questions from you how to define your fashion business model. That's why I wanted to record this video on IGTV so I can explain perfectly how you can deal with this problem of setting up the right fashion business model for your fashion business, of course. But before starting out, I just want to remind you that if you are starting a fashion business from zero, you should definitely check out my certified online course, Start for Fashion. Start for Fashion is a certified online course where you will learn step by step theoretical and practical steps, 8 modules, where you will learn exactly the right steps to start a fashion business from zero. From starting the fashion business, the business side, and from learning also how to attract the right dream customers and to create an irresistible offer for them, and also the places to sell, the places where you can find manufacturers. So all the steps you need to start a fashion business, whether you are selling products or services, and if you really need those steps if you are starting from scratch. So go to check to ebooksforfashion.teachable.com. You can check the link in my biography. So let's start. A fashion business model is a plan for the success of your fashion business. So you need, with a business model, to identify the sources of revenue in your fashion business. You need to know exactly which products to create, and you need exactly to understand who are your customers, so you can create an offer that satisfies their needs, and you can solve their problems, and you can give them benefits. So basically, when you are defining your fashion business model, you need to know who are your customers, why are they paying you, what problems are you solving for them, which kind of benefits you are giving them, which kind of needs are you satisfying them, who are your competitors, which kind of business models your competitors have, and which kind of problems they find in their business models, and how would you get funds and financial help in your fashion business so you know exactly how your fashion business will grow. So let's start with all the steps you need to take to understand exactly how to define your fashion business model. So first step, who is your dream customer? Do you know exactly who is your dream customer? Identify who is your ideal customer for who you want to create a perfect offer that satisfies their needs and solve their problems and give them benefits. You can create fashion products or fashion services, but you need first to know exactly who they are and which problems are you solving for them. Then, second step, why your dream customers should pay you. So what kind of products or services in fashion are you offering them in exchange of money from them? Third step, what kind of problems for your dream customers are you solving, and which kind of needs are you satisfying, and which kind of benefits are you offering them? This is a crucial part to set up the right business, because you need to speak the same language as your audience. Then, fourth, who are your competitors and which kind of business models they have? Which steps did they take to create their business models? So it's so important that you know exactly who are your competitors. So in this way, you know exactly which kind of offer you can create and how you can differentiate yourself and your business from them. And also, you need exactly to know what are the mistakes they make, so you don't make the same mistakes and you can create better products or services, of course. Then the fifth step, what problems do you think your competitors they might have in their business models? So in this way, if you understand exactly where your competitors and which kind of business models they have, you can choose if your business model is better than their business model, and you can improve your business model as well. Then, which kind of financial help do you need? Where are you going to get funds to start your fashion business? And if you are planning, for example, to create a crowdfunding campaign, and if you don't know what is crowdfunding, you can check in my link in the biography. I have created few blog posts, blog articles about crowdfunding and what is a crowdfunding. So if you are planning a crowdfunding campaign, so you need exactly to understand which is your business model and how you can get money in your fashion business. So basically, these are all the steps you need to take to understand what is your fashion business model. So let's recap all the 6 steps. First, who is your dream customer? Second, why your dream customer should pay you. Then third, what kind of problems for your dream customer are you solving with your offer? Which kind of needs are you satisfying, and what kind of benefits are you offering? Fourth, who are your competitors? Which kind of business models they have? Which steps did they take to create their business? Then fifth, what problems do you think your competitors' business models might have? So you need to really understand what problems they might have, not to make the same mistakes. Then sixth, which kind of financial help do you need? Where are you going to get funds for your fashion business? And are you planning to use crowdfunding in your fashion business? If you need to learn more about all how to get funds, I have made another IGTV before, you can check, where I explained 3 tips to get money for a fashion business startup. You can also read my blog on ebooksforfashion.com or ebooksforfashion.teachable.com, and you know exactly all the steps also to get funds for your fashion business. So I hope this clarify a little bit how you need to create your business model, how you can define your business model, and if you need to learn more and go deeply, you need also and to create your fashion business, just go and check out my certified online course, Start for Fashion, how to start a fashion business from zero. Because there are 8 modules, very clear, and you will learn exactly the steps to set up in the right way your fashion business. And also as a bonus, you can get also free coaching calls with me, so I can help you straight away directly how to set up your fashion business. So no doubts, no worries, no concerns, no any. So everything is very clear, and you need to go in that way if you don't want to make mistakes or fail or lose lots of money. You need to follow the right steps. So if you have any question, just please feel free to DM me, send me a message, and I would love to help you. Thank you so much. Sorry for my voice, but I have a little bit of a flu during these days, so I just wanted to record this video because I received lots of questions and I wanted to clarify how you can define your fashion business model. I hope it helps, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you very soon. Bye for now.